Hello friends and my dear students, welcome back to my channel Phoenix Physics. Today we are going to learn internal resistance of the cell using potentiometer. We know that Xi is directly proportional to L. This is EMF of the cell, L is balancing length. Here positive terminal of the battery is connected to C end of the potentiometer wire. The negative terminal of the battery is connected to D through key K1. This forms our primary circuit. The positive terminal of the cell whose internal resistance is to be determined is connected to Nc. The negative terminal of the cell is connected to jockey through galvanometer and high resistance. Here the external resistance and key K2 are connected across this cell with K2 open. The balancing length is measured by adjusting jockey's position to show null deflection in galvanometer. So this length is nothing but Cj is equal to L1. You know that balancing length is proportional to the EMF of the cell. So how do you write this? Xi is proportional to L1. This is my equation 1. Under this condition, K2 open. Now I am going to include 10 ohm resistance in the resistance box with key K2 is closed. Then how do you calculate current passing through resistance and the cell? According to Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. Then how do you calculate I? I is nothing but V by R. Instead of V, you can simply substitute Xi. If the potential difference is equal to the EMF of the cell, no current flows through the circuit and the galvanometer shows null deflection. Then how do you write this equation? That is Xi by R plus R. Why did I write R plus R? Because I am going to calculate current passing through resistance and the cell. So I is equal to Xi by R plus R. Next I am going to calculate potential difference across R. V is equal to I into R. You know the I value. So V is equal to Xi by R plus R into this R. Say this is my equation 2. This potential difference is balanced. Let L2 be the balancing length. We can write Xi R by R plus R is directly proportional to L2. This is my equation 3. I am going to divide 1 and 3. Which is my first equation. Xi is proportional to L1. So Xi by Xi R into this R plus R, which is equal to L1 by L2. Cancel this Xi. So R plus R by R is equal to L1 by L2. Divide R1 plus R by R is equal to L1 by L2. R by R means L1 by L2 minus 1. Take LCM. So L1 minus L2 by L2, which is R by R. What is this R? R is nothing but internal resistance. R is equal to capital R into L1 minus L2 by L2. Now you repeat the experiment using different values of R. Here I included 10 ohm resistance. Class, we discussed about how to calculate internal resistance of the cell using potentiometer. We derived one formula, that is small r, which is nothing but internal resistance of the cell. Small r is equal to capital R. This R is our external resistance. Capital R into L1 minus L2 by L2. Our conclusion is internal resistance of the cell is not constant but increases with increase of external resistance connected across its term. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my video. Thank you.